Hi everyone and welcome to the CADReader Tutorial Series. In this first lesson, we'll give you a brief introduction to CADReader and work through its main features and interface. CADReader is a fast and powerful CAD drawing viewer and editor. It allows you to view, mark up, measure, and edit DWG and DXF drawings, make it suitable for both everyday viewing and professional use. When you open CADReader, the first thing you'll see is our clean interface and powerful feature set. At the top of the screen, you'll find the main toolbar. If you select Buy VIP, you'll be taken to our official website, where you can choose the package that best suits your needs. To open a file, click Open in the top left corner. CADReader supports DWG and DXF formats, and you can keep up to 20 recent files for quick access. Once the drawing is opened, all related features are instantly activated. CADReader includes both free basic features and advanced VIP features. In the toolbar, blue icons represent free tools, while gold icons indicate VIP features. With VIP access, you can extract text and tables, convert drawing versions, partially export drawings. CADReader provides a wide range of measurement tools. Basic measurement options include aligned and linear measurement, polygon and rectangular area, and coordinate measurement. Advanced measurement tools include continuous measurement, hatch area measurement, and circle or radius measurement. You can also use additional tools such as drawing comparison, tabulation, shape identification, and various markup tools. For quicker access, you can right-click within the drawing to find the tools you need. If you want to edit your drawings, CADReader also has a built-in editor, allowing you to edit drawings directly. You can copy and paste objects, manage layers, find and replace text, add or modify text, and perform common editing actions such as move, rotate, mirror, break, or explode. You can also draw lines, polylines, circles, arcs, and rectangles within your drawing. CADReader supports 10 different display languages. Just click the language button to choose your preferred language. If you need assistance, our technical support team is available via WhatsApp or email. For more tips and tutorials, click Help to visit our Help Center. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.